Hello guys, this is Liquid Ocelot and today I'm going to show you guys how to automatically post your YouTube videos to LinkedIn. So I am going to use this website called Zapier.com, and over here on the dashboard I have these options. Connect to this application, I'll choose YouTube, and with this one I'll choose LinkedIn. Now in the second step, when this happens, I have to select a trigger. So I have to choose new video in channel and then do this. I will select create share update. Now I'll click use Zap and the new page will pop out. Now here I'll just go and add a new account, which is my YouTube channel. I'll do it, my main account, YouTube channel, and click allow. And now I'll click continue. I'll go to my YouTube channel and copy this URL of mine, channel URL, and I'll just paste in the channel URL, click refresh fields, click continue, and now I'll skip this test. Now I'm here on my LinkedIn page, so I'll just go to add new account, and I'll have to connect my LinkedIn account to Zapier. It has been connected. Now I'll click continue. In the comment I'll just mention title. In content title I'll mention the title once again. In content description I'll mention the link to the YouTube URL link, and in content image URL I'll mention go to show all options, thumbnail high URL, and content URL I'll just give the YouTube URL once again. Content URL I'll just give the content then this if for shared content, yes, I'll give the YouTube URL and click continue. Now I'll just click test and continue. It has been tested. Let's see on my LinkedIn profile what's happening, my friends. Refresh it, and if the test is successful, I'll show you how it would show. As soon as you post your new YouTube video, it will show on your activity. You see, build your first Zap with Zapier, and the link is directly over here, so it is working, and the custom the image is also working. So I'll delete this post because it has served its purpose. So now what I'm going to do, go back to Zapier, and I will not open this Zap because I have already created this Zap before, so I'll just delete it. So guys, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think on how to automatically post your videos on LinkedIn. Your feedback is required, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be signing out. Take care.